How to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to transfer money from Payoneer account to Binance account. So after you open up your Binance app now, go ahead and tap on this add funds button. So in this option now, go ahead and tap on this option now to select USD. So payment currency, make sure to go and search for USD like this. So after you select the USD like this now, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this buy with USD, this one. So from this option now, all you have to do now, here it says buy. So go ahead now and type in the amount of USD you want to add. So let's say I want to add like 200 USD. So from my Payoneer account to my Binance account. So as you can see now, here is it now. If I now give 200 USD, I'll be able to receive 191 USDT. So now if I tap on this add new card, so from this option now, it will ask me now to add in my Payoneer card details. So if you don't have Payoneer card, just go ahead and add the Payoneer card details from this option and tap on this confirm button. From there, the money will be transferred into your Binance account. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.